Jim Carrey said a very nice thing. He said, I want everyone in this world to experience fame and money to know that that is not what life is about. So I am a very, very true believer in that. I can tell you 100% that life is not about that. And I know a lot of people might read this and put comment and say, हाँ बड़ा बोल रही है तो बोल रही है and all that. Fair enough, you're right. है तो बोल रही है. जब तक you don't stand in those shoes, you will not be able to tell. But I have stood in both, so I can say that that is not what life is about. I'll tell you something. Issues, problems, stress, all of these things don't change because you are more wealthy. I have been someone who has not had the privileges and the money that I have right now, the kind of life that I can provide to my parents now. We didn't have that. But at that time also, people had problems, and now also we had problems.